Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. It's a beautiful Saturday morning and I'm here to make something delicious. So I'll start by placing my saucepan with water on fire because I'm going to make accheke or attieke or couscous. Halila is here. She likes accheke, so I'm going to make it for all of them. So I have my bowl. I have salt, and in this rubber that I'm just going to untie, I have maize flour. With accheke you can use different flours to make your accheke. You can use rice flour, maize flour, gari. So basically these are the three I have tried. So with the maize, today is my first time, but I have made accheke out of the rice and the gari. So I'm just pouring some into my bowl. Then I'll set the remaining one aside. So with the maize, you have to remove the outer skin before you then grind it to get this powder. So I've added my salt and I'll mix it so that every part of the flour gets the salt. Please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video so that it will help the channel to grow. I have a whole lot of dishes, that is local dishes videos on this channel. So I have my water here. I'll be adding the water gradually, and also I'll try to mix the water together with the maize flour until it becomes moist. Then I'll place it on fire. It's so delicious to eat it, especially when it is cooked properly. It's tedious when you are making it, but at the end of the day, you are going to enjoy your accheke or attieke with your family. So this is the consistency. You can see how it has turned. You don't have to put plenty water or too less water. So now I'm transferring it into this strainer. If you have any fine strainer that heat can penetrate through, you can use it. So I'm just going to transfer it and break the lumps in it. So you can see it's a little smooth, and I've just added everything onto this strainer. So yeah, this is it. I know I have to be very patient because it takes much time when you want to prepare accheke. So I have covered it with a lid. You can add a napkin before you cover it. Then you gently place your accheke on the heated water for it to start trapping the vapor or the steam to do the cooking. You can also use some flour mixed with water to cover up the holes in between the strainer and your cooking pot. But I was too tired to do this, so I just left it this way. So I have some toppings here, my lettuce, tomatoes, and onion. So after about 30 minutes, I'll open my accheke to see how it has cooked. It's not too soft, so I have covered it again. After another 10 minutes, I have opened it and I'll scoop everything out of the strainer. And please watch to see what I'm going to do to this that I'm taking out. So now see the amount of water that is left in the saucepan. I have added some water again. So I've transferred it into my pot where I can easily work on it. So I'm adding some water, and as I add, I'll keep on mixing it with the half cooked maize flour till it becomes very moist again before I transfer it back into the strainer. So at this point, you may taste it to see whether the salt content is okay. If it's not okay, you can add your salt in this step. But my salt was okay, so there was no need for me to add additional salt. So now I'm just transferring it back onto or into this strainer. I've added water in the saucepan, so I'm covering it again for additional 30 minutes for it to cook. So after 30 minutes, you can see it has doubled in size and the texture has even changed. So my accheke is fully ready now for serving. But I'll have to fry my onions in vegetable oil before I use it. So I'm going to serve it onto my plate. My kids are back from Arabic studies. Two left for Arabic studies and I was with Halila in the house. So we are now going to enjoy it together. It's hot, so I'm just adding the lettuce, the tomatoes, and also the fried onions with the vegetable oil. This looks so beautiful, presentable, and it is so delicious too. Even though I haven't taken it yet, I know it's going to be delicious. So I'm adding the vegetable oil. There are two ways you may decide to mix the oil with the accheke straightforward, or you just add little oil at a time, like the way you want it. So I'm adding peanut powder, that is called kulukuluzim here, with my fish because it goes well with fish too, and some pepper powder. So you can see it's a complete dish now. Wow, so lovely. And it's time for me to eat it with my children. So you just mix this together and start to do justice to the food. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. See you next time, and I hope you try to prepare some and send your comments. Bye.